How to manage your notifications show on your phone. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your notifications on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Scroll down and click on Notifications. And now scroll down and you have Show, Name and Message. Click on it and now choose who gonna show on your phone, the name in the message or the name only or no name or message. For example, I choose name only. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.